Hello boys and girls. Today we're going to talk about storms that are called blizzards. This book was written by Dean Kells and this is a Scholastics book. Table of contents. It's snowing. It is a cold winter day. Soft white flakes fall from the clouds. It is snow. Snow is made of tiny ice crystals that fall from the clouds when it is very cold. Clouds are made up of billions of tiny water droplets. How do the droplets get there? You know. Water evaporates from rivers, lakes, and oceans. It rises in the form of a gas called water vapor. As the water vapor rises, it cools into droplets. The droplets form clouds. What is snow? High in the atmosphere, the air gets very cold. When the air temperature in a cloud goes below freezing, the water droplets turn into ice crystals. Snow is made of ice crystals. Snowflakes are clusters of tiny ice crystals. It takes up to 200 ice crystals to make one snowflake. As the snowflake grows bigger, it gets heavier. When it becomes heavy enough, it falls to the ground. It takes, 200 ice crystals to make one snowflake? Oh my goodness. Most snowflakes have 6 sides or 6 points, but all snowflakes are different. No two snowflakes are the same size, shape, or design. That's incredible. Different kinds of snow. As long as the temperature on the ground is cold enough, snow can fall. Snowfalls can range from a few light fluffy flakes to dangerous snowstorms. Snow flurries are light snowfalls that last for short periods of time. Snow flurries lead to very little accumulation or buildup of snow. So if you just have a little bit snow, not too much snow falls down, it's called a snow flurry. A snowstorm is when lots of snow falls. Snowstorms often have gusty winds. Snow covers the ground after a snowstorm. What is a blizzard? Snow is good for sledding or skiing, but sometimes strong winds and low temperatures make it hard to stay outside. A strong snowstorm could turn into a blizzard. A blizzard is a severe snowstorm with powerful winds that last more than 3 hours. Blizzard winds blow faster than 35 miles per hour. That's as fast as a car on the road. During a blizzard, the wind blows snow into the air. When blowing snow makes it hard to see a short distance, it is called a whiteout. The beginning of a blizzard. Before a blizzard, a large mass of cold air blows in. You can feel the temperature drop. The place where cold air and warm air meet is called a front. If the cold air pushes the warm air away, it's called a cold front. Blizzards usually start as cold fronts form. And here is an example you see on the map where there is a cold front, and in this area now meteorologists will know that a snowstorm could happen or a different type of a storm. A blizzard usually starts with a cold front. A cold front pushes the warm air up. The air carries moisture into the atmosphere. If the temperature in the clouds and on the ground is below freezing, it could snow. How does a blizzard form? A blizzard has just 3 ingredients: warm air, cold air, and moisture. Warm air carries moisture up into the atmosphere. Cold air in the atmosphere turns the moisture into snow. A mixture of heavy snow, strong winds, and cold temperature make blizzard. Moisture in the atmosphere falls in the form of precipitation. Precipitation can be rain, sleet, snow, or hail. A lot of moisture means a lot of snow. The temperature can be too warm for snow, but it cannot be too cold. Now we know that water freezes or becomes solid at 32 degrees Fahrenheit. When the air temperature is the freezing point or colder, puddles turn to ice and precipitation turns to snow. If the air is cold enough, we don't get rain, we get snow. And the puddles on the ground turn into ice and we can skate. But we always have to make sure we're safe when we do that. Winter weather alerts. Blizzards are the most dangerous types of winter weather because they have strong winds, cold temperatures, and lots of snow. The National Weather Service tracks winter storms and tells people what to expect. The National Weather Service ranks storms from least serious to most dangerous. And here, boys and girls, we have a table that shows us the differences between winter weather advisory, where we just need to be cautious and just look out. Winter storm watch, that means there's the possibility of heavy snow and a snowstorm coming up. Winter storm warning, that's storm with heavy snow and ice is expected to happen. And finally, blizzard warning, and then I'll read the entire thing here. Wind gusts greater than or equal to 35 miles per hour with falling or blowing snow. There is a chance of a whiteout. Stay indoors. It's cold outside. Unless you're a polar bear, you wouldn't want to be outside in a blizzard. The low temperatures are dangerous. Blowing snow makes it hard to see. Snow drifts block roads and walkways. Strong winds make the outside temperature feel colder than it is. As the wind blows, it draws heat away from the body. This makes it feel colder. The wind chill temperature is how cold people and animals feel outdoors. Staying safe. It's important to be prepared if you live in a place with lots of blizzards. Listen to winter weather alerts. Stay indoors if there is a blizzard warning. Now, we all know that when you go outside in the snow, you should dress warmly. Wear several layers of clothes, warm boots, gloves, and a hat. Snow can be fun if the weather is not too cold or windy. Boys and girls, where we live, we don't have snowstorms, but not too far from here up in the mountains, blizzards do happen. So we want to learn about this type of weather, so we're always prepared when we go up to the mountains during winter.